Today we'll demonstrate how to use AUDI BCM2 adapter to read vehicles D-flash and P-flash and calculate IMMO data. New version adapter supports all BCM2 series. Let's give it a try. First, connect the adapter to AUDI BCM2 module. At this point you must choose the correct adapter. We have two BCM2 modules here, which correspond to adapter A and adapter B respectively. Check that the adapter pins line up with the module. Make sure the FL, MD, GND, and VRCG pins are in the right place. Follow the wiring diagram and choose the correct adapter. We'll demonstrate using adapter A. Align the pin positions and make the adapter with the module. Flip and snap the two side buttons to lock it in place. Here's what the assembled unit looks like. Use KeyTool Plus adapter cable to connect the assembled part to the KeyTool Plus. Once connected, begin reading the data. Follow the on-screen steps. Tip: old version adapters require entering the old adapter menu. For the current new version, choose Program or Read New Adapter. Select to read D-flash. You can view the wiring diagram here. Click Read. Make sure the adapter and chip connected. Read successful. Click to read P-flash and follow the steps. After a successful read, go back to the 5th Immobilizer system interface. Load the P-flash files you just read to obtain IMMO data. Data read successful. Click OK to start saving the data. After saving completes, you can generate dealer key or key learning. We can also perform this procedure with multi-Prog. You will need multi-Prog adapter cable for this. Connect the assembled adapter to multi-Prog, attach it to a computer, and supply 12 volts power to the programmer. Execute the same read and save steps in order. To flash read successful, click Save File. Continue to read P-flash. After reading and saving successfully, you can use KeyTool Plus to load the saved P-flash to obtain IMMO data, which can then be used to generate keys or key learning.